In this video, we're going to review Hop versus Uber. So which platform is better and this year? So the ride-hailing application have changed how people move around the cities by making it easier, faster, and more convenient to book rides. Two services that many people compare today are Hop and Uber. While both connects riders with drivers through the application, their focus and experience are different. Hop is a newer ride service that promotes itself as an eco-friendly option. It focuses on using electric cars and sustainable transport to reduce pollution and provide a cleaner way of getting around. The application works in a simple way where rides can request rides quickly, track their driver, and enjoy safe trip. Hub is especially popular in places where green travel is encouraged. Riders appreciate the company's mission to reduce carbon emissions, and many also like it because of the affordable pricing in certain areas. While it may not be available anywhere yet, Hub offers a fresh choice for people who care about both convenience and the environment. Now, Uber, on the other hand, is one of the biggest and most established ride-hailing application in the world. It is available in many countries and offers different ride options such as economy, premium, and even shared rides. Uber is well known for its reliability, wide availability, and quick booking process. Riders can also use the application for food delivery through Uber Eats, which adds extra value, while some people mention concerns about surge pricing and driver pay. Uber remains one of the most trusted and convenient platforms for everyday transport. Overall, Hop is a great choice for eco-conscious riders who want a greener alternative, while Uber is the go-to option for global availability and consistent service. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.